Hey guys, hey Kriti, Kirti. Hey guys, what's up? What's up, Yash, Baldeep? I'm just waiting for everyone to join in. Hi, Dinky. Hi, Cash. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh my god, this filter is a little too sparkly. Wait. This is nice, okay. Just playing around with some filters. Which one do you guys like? I think, yeah, let's keep it. Hey Sagar, my name is Payal. Hi Payal. Hey Chan, Chinky, Chinky. Dinky, you're singing songs. Okay, so guys, I've come live today to thank you all for the amazing reaction you guys have been giving me on the trailer, and it's so overwhelming. It's my first, so everything feels so special. Hi Sakshi. Everything feels so special. Everything feels like brand new. You know, I've been acting and doing this for all my life, like as far as I can remember. This is what I do, but everything feels brand new all of a sudden, and it's like entering a new turf where you know you're so minute and you're so vulnerable and you just want to grow. So thank you all for all the appreciation, for all the love. It really matters because this is something that is so special to me. Getting to work with these two guys here means so much. Rahul. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a live with Shravan. So I think I need to add him in. Just don't know how. Wait. Yep. I think I did it. Cash. Thank you guys for always saying such amazing things. Hi
What's
Shravan.
up?
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How are you?
I am great. I'm great. And I was waiting for this live to happen because ever since, we've spoken about this, I'm like, wow, this is going to be a great one. And I like how we've already coordinated, guys. We've coordinated, this happened over the call. We discussed this over the call कि कौन से color के कपड़े पहनने चाहिए live के लिए. So that's why both of us are in the shades of red. She will deny it,
No,
but it's true,
that's
guys.
just the
It's
love in our
true.
hearts that is reflecting outside,
That
Shravan.
is that is so true. That is so true, Crystal.
I'm
But I
just
have to.
joining in my men in this.
Yes, I like this virtual live that we are doing. But I have to
Yes.
ask you, Crystal, this that you know when you began this live, you said this that I'm sure you must be feeling overwhelmed, right, with all the response that is coming in.
Oh
Matlab, what
God,
an
I can't
amazing
even
trailer.
tell you what I'm feeling. So, you know, one night before the trailer released, I
Uh,
could I couldn't sleep. I just had like these forget butterflies. I had
oh
dinosaurs
wow.
which are extinct in my stomach. So I just couldn't sleep. I was waking up every 2 minutes seeing, is it 12:39? Is it 12:39? Because I had to post at 12:39. So I was so jittery just, you know, one night before. And after the trailer released, I read all the comments. I saw all the love. It was so overwhelming. I literally have howled and cried all alone.
Wow, wow. But how have your friends and family reacted to this? Because I'm sure,
Uh,
when you do this, okay, you always have this dream, right? And I personally think this that while you dream to become something, okay, it's always, you always have the support of your family and friends because all of them somewhere keep supporting you and keep telling you because you always look back at them when you need guidance, right? That's all of us.
Correct.
So how
Correct.
did they react when your trailer came out and they saw you in this amazing film?
So, I usually don't discuss what I do with too many people. I have my bunch
Uh-huh.
of like 5 people who I tell everything to. So, I have called them all, telling them how much anxiety I'm going through.
Oh my God.
And they were all like, calm down, be fine. When the trailer came out, all of them have called me, messaged me saying that, oh my God, what were you even nervous about? It looks so good, it looks great. And let's not forget, we have Amitabh Bachchan.
Exactly. Like, how can we forget that? Like, when you have Amitabh Bachchan in the trailer, and then you have Imran, and then Crystal, like, how can the trailer go wrong? Like, how? How does the
How?
trailer then go wrong? Like, how?
What a beautiful
Okay.
trio.
What a beautiful trio. Look at those amazing. This frame is going to be framed, I think. We should frame this frame.
I don't
But
think I'm gonna let this poster go from my house.
I don't think you should also because it's your first, right? And first times are always special. When the film was offered to you, Crystal, what was your reaction, and was it like it was a no-brainer that I have to say yes, or did you like I say बहुत सारा thinking किया है इस पे कि क्या करें?
Okay, this is an interesting story. So I was sitting with my mom having coffee
Uh-huh,
in a coffee
uh-huh,
shop, and I get a call from the director saying that,
uh-huh.
hey, we just got your number. Can you come down to office? It's a little urgent. And I said, what is this regarding? It was 8:30 p.m. Okay. So I said,
Wow.
what is this regarding? They said, it's regarding a film that we are doing. Can't give you much details, but can you come down to office? We'll explain it to you.
Mhm.
So I was sitting having my coffee. I looked at my mom. I'm like, listen, there's a meeting happening at 8:30. You think I should go? She's like, but what great are you doing right now? You're drinking coffee. So I was like, okay,
Bomb
fine, let's
dropping
just go to
truth bomb.
office. So I was in Juhu already. I went to office. I
Uh-huh.
sat there and they started telling me about the film. So I sat with Rumi sir and he narrated the entire film to me without telling me who are the actors. Okay, so he's
Okay.
narrating the film and I loved it. I was like, wow. So my character is this girl called Natasha who I totally loved. I was like, I
Uh-huh.
like every bit of her. I love how she dresses. I love how she talks. I love everything about her. So
Yeah.
I said, okay, I love it. And I asked him, who are the other people that are in the film? So he said, Pele, you do an audition. Then if you go through the audition, I will give you the names. Because right
Uh-huh.
now we can't do that without an NDA. So I said, okay, fine. When is the audition? He said, upstairs right now.
Wow.
I said, oh,
Everything was
okay.
happening at the moment.
Like this. So I went upstairs, did 3 scenes. They were immediately sending the scenes to the team and it was getting approved. And they said, okay, so you're on board. This is your contract and tomorrow you fly out to Delhi. I was like, wait, what?
Then they tell
That's
you who
how you.
the two
Hello?
people were. Yeah, then they tell you who the two people were.
No, so then they gave me the contract. They said, tomorrow you fly out to Delhi. I said,
Uh-huh.
okay, but who are the co-actors? They're like, so we have Imran Hashmi on board and Amitabh Bachchan. We've already shot a bit of it and we are continuing. And I'm like, huh?
Huh? Did you
What?
just say that right? Excuse me. Wait a
I was
minute.
like, 1 second, pinch me somebody. Also, is this how you bag a film? Like, what do I go home and tell my parents? That listen, I did an audition, I got selected, and tomorrow I'm leaving for a film with Amitabh Bachchan. They're going to be
How
like,
did
are
they
you mad?
react? But how did they react? I'm sure
So,
your mother
so
would be
okay.
like, yeah.
Everything was done. I took the contract back home.
Huh?
My mom and me live in the same city, but we live in separate houses. So I called her
Okay.
up. I'm like, Mom, I got the film. So she's like, okay, who's in it? I said, Amitabh Bachchan. She thinks, shut up, tell me who's in it. I said, Mom, Amitabh Bachchan. She's like, are you kidding? I was like, no, I'm not. I'm genuinely serious. She's like, okay, I'm coming. That was her only reaction
So
until date. Her display pictures with him, not with me.
wow. So they told you that this is Chehre, right? Also,
They told
guys,
me that after the audition and after I got selected and everything. But till then, obviously, they didn't want to let it out.
for sure,
And
for sure.
everything was happening really quick. Also, they wanted it to go through auditions. So I was
Huh?
back to back seeing actors come in, do their auditions, go out,
Oh,
do their auditions, go out. So there were a lot of people that they were talking to. It wasn't
wow.
just me. So I did the audition, they liked it, and that's how I got the film.
Wow. Okay, guys. Also, another thing that's going to happen on this live is we are going to, of course, we are talking about Cherry that stars Crystal, Imran Hashmi, and Amitabh Bachchan. So, by the
You
end
mean
of the live,
Chehre? You
By
mean
the end,
Chehre?
I mean,
And you mean
Chere,
Chehre?
Chere. So what is gonna happen is by the end of the life, I'm gonna ask you guys how many times did both of us together mention Chere? And y'all can let us know in the comments. कितनी बार हमने Chere बोला है because it's Chere. Am I right? Did I
It's
say it
Chehre.
right? It's Chere,
Yes.
right? Did I say
It's
it right?
Chehre. You're
Chere.
right. Yeah, yeah.
But after the trailer release, Crystal, uh, please tell me you did this. You went to Google and you Googled what were the reactions that were coming. Did you do that?
I went to YouTube and I
Uh-huh.
saw the reactions below. I also went to my Facebook and my Instagram, and every 2 minutes I was reading all the reactions.
Wow.
You know, it's so surprising that everything was positive. Everything was positive, and I was just like, wow. So there's no problem in the trailer as such. It's grand,
There
it's
is
beautiful, it's
no, that's
captivating,
true.
it's gripping, it's everything. So even when I saw it, I didn't realize how grand it was. Also, we were supposed to release last year, so it's
Yeah,
been a year since then. So you somehow just your memory fades with everything.
yeah.
And when I suddenly saw it again, I'm like, listen, this is grand, this is big. So I keep checking Google, I keep checking YouTube, I keep checking everything, everything.
Everything, every social media platform ever
Yeah, yeah,
जहाँ
yeah.
पे
Social
चेहरे
media
हैं.
I love. I love social media. So I check everything on social media.
No,
Good,
but
bad, ugly, I'm okay with everything.
which is perfect. But I think that's the well, like you said, that's the thing about the trailer. It is so good that as soon as the trailer begins, because the dialogue at the start till the trailer ends, you're at the edge of the seat and you're like, listen, can I watch it right now? Can we watch it right now? When is Shere releasing? Do you want to tell them?
Chehre is releasing on the 9th of April, 2021. Please go to a cinema near you and watch it in on the big screen, because everything is grand, everything is
Sure,
larger than life in the film, and the cinema is something that we've grown up watching things that are larger
sure.
than life on. So that's why we waited and we chose to release in the cinemas. Please be safe while you're at it.
Yeah.
Theaters are maintaining social distancing, they are
Sure.
maintaining all the protocols needed. So, for your own safety, you maintain protocols as well. And please go watch Chere on 9th of April on 2021 in the theater near you.
And it's Crystal's debut film. Like, how can you not watch it in a theater? I mean,
Yes,
come on. It would
guys.
be so unfair. It would be so unfair. But Crystal,
That's
from the
true.
time, from the time you started, I'm sure, you have this thing that I want to be I want to be seen on the big screen. Okay. Uh, Today, when that is actually coming through, okay, deep inside, what is the feeling?
It's still not sunk in,
Oh, it
because
hasn't.
honestly, after a whole pandemic year,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
not able to sink in things that are such big news,
True.
because it's like जब होगा तब देखेंगे, उससे पहले you don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm not, till it doesn't actually happen, till I don't go to the theater and watch it, I'm not yet ready to even take the fact in that it's out, it's coming, it's
Yeah.
big, but of course it's an amazing feeling. When I
For
joined
sure.
acting almost more than a decade ago,
Mm-hmm.
every actor feels like someday I want to grow up and do work in films. And when I finished doing TV, I jumped to OTT,
Yeah.
and now from OTT, so I've done the whole, each step,
Whole,
one
yeah,
step
for
at a
sure.
time.
For
So
sure.
once OTT was done, that's when Cherry happened. So for me, it's like just walking slowly and getting there. And
Yeah.
finally, I feel like somewhere, in this big industry, I want to leave that little small mark that I'm here, I did my bit, watch me.
No, but I think that you are already going to leave a massive mark because tell me how many people have the chance to make their debut on the big screen with Amitabh Bachchan, bro? Like, who are we kidding? It's the Amitabh Bachchan. I'm sure everybody who comes to Mumbai to be an actor, okay, has this thing that once in a lifetime you want to work with Amitabh sir, and you actually got both. You got the best of it in the film, and it's a thriller. Like, what more could you ask for, right?
I couldn't have asked for anything else. Even in my wildest dreams, if I would have prayed for this, I would have opened my eyes and laughed. That what's wrong with you? Like,
Yeah.
you know, उसमें डायरो में ड्रीम करो.
No,
But
but how did?
I didn't think that this is something that could happen, that
Yeah,
would happen, but it's happened. And working with these two men was so amazing. It was
that was so true.
really like, it's something that was surreal. Working with Amitabh
Yeah,
sir, when he came up to me and introduced himself, I was like, of course, sir,
wow,
I know. He's like, hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan. I'm
wow.
like, of course I know.
You
It
lost
was
your
literally
voice,
like I couldn't
almost
get
lost your
my
voice.
voice out. Yeah, I couldn't. Something just holding you, and you're just like, oh God, I have to
Yeah,
talk. I
yeah.
have to talk. Words will come out of my mouth. Is that possible? But he came up and introduced himself. He was so warm. He was so. He made me feel so comfortable when I was doing my scene with him, because we were doing our lines in the middle of rehearsal. He just looked up and said, "You have
Wow.
very pretty eyes. I've heard amazing stuff about you and the performance, because I'd already shot some scenes before I met him, and the performance that you've
Uh-huh.
done. Good job." I was
Wow.
like, and my mom is
Did
standing in
Amitabh
the
Bachchan
corner.
just compliment me?
My mom is standing
Crying.
in the corner crying. I'm just like, what do I do? Who do I? What? Not her. I don't know her.
I
Wait,
don't
who's
know.
that lady?
But how did mom react to this when she saw the trailer? Because I'm sure, like you said, she's accompanied you on the set. And now when she watched the trailer, how did she react to that?
She didn't
Full-
expect me in the trailer. So
Oh,
she was very, yeah, people think very low of me and my family and
why?
friends.
Why? Listen, what are these friends you have?
It's not expecting too much, because you don't want to be disappointed later.
Yeah.
So she was very pleasantly surprised, and there was obviously, with likes of Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan, you don't really, as a newcomer, get to have so much space.
Yeah.
But I feel like, with Chehre, I got all of that and more. So my mom was very pleasantly surprised. My dad has no idea. First of all, he is like, अच्छा shooting करके आ गई, ठीक है, कौन सी film क्या, चलो ठीक है. He was like that. He also was so surprised. He has messaged. So we have a family group. He's like, so proud of you, my daughter. I was like,
Oh my God. You
wow.
have. But listen, tell me this. I think this is with every actor, right? Like, you may get the biggest awards out there, but what your parents think about your work matters to every actor, right?
That's true. Getting these awards is really not important. But if my mom said na, and my mom is very critical. She's not somebody who
Oh, she
says कि
is, huh?
अच्छा किया, you're looking pretty. She'll only say कि यार, what is this makeup you've done? ये क्या बोला है? ये कुछ समझ नहीं आया. She's like that. So if
Oh,
she says something nice, or if my dad says something nice, my parents, my friends have kept me very grounded. They're always abusing. They're always saying the worst. So when they say something good, I know it's true. I know it's from their heart, because also they want the best for me,
uh-huh.
and it comes from a very pure space. So winning awards, I feel, is important. It's great, but more important than that is
Appreciation
obviously
from
making your
parents,
parents proud. They brought you into this world hoping that
for sure.
you do something, and when they see you do big things, you just make
Yeah.
them so proud. And I was never a very intelligent girl, or acing in my studies or whatever. I was great. I was not bad. But
Uh-huh.
they never felt proud of me, like, oh, my daughter's acing school or this or that. So I was always the one that, yeah, and my parents are not proud of me only. Now they suddenly, send out WhatsApp group
Wow.
messages to all their friends and all their cousins and everything, and I feel very blessed that way.
Now, I'm sure you're making your friends, your family, and all your fans and all of us proud with what you're doing because we are very, very, very proud of you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read a few questions that are coming in. Anushka is saying,
Anushka saying that
why
Anushka
are you
calls
not
my
answering a
parents
call?
hired. Anushka calls my parents hired. They're hired
Why?
parents.
Anushka had a very important
भाड़े
question
के.
before she wrote hired, is that why are you not answering her calls?
I cut her call just now. Remember when my live went off? I
Yeah,
cut
that
her
was
call.
because of Anushka calling you.
Yes, it was because of
Okay.
Anushka calling me. It's
The,
on my phone. It's called Baba Ganush.
oh
She's my
wow.
Baba Ganush.
Oh my God. The next question that has come in is that how does Crystal manage to keep herself motivated when she's low?
when she's low.
Yeah.
So, I'm somebody that is mostly always lowish. I'm never
Okay.
like too, other than when I'm out with people. I live
Mm-hmm.
alone, so there's no reason for me to just dance and party alone.
Uh-huh.
I'm always in a mellow, I'm always thinking, I'm always watching something, I'm always reading. But I watch things that will help my work, that will help
Yeah.
me. I read books that will help me and my mental health and
Mm-hmm.
me grow in a way that I'm not reading fictional stuff. I'm reading real stuff. I'm watching real stuff. Also, keeping close with your 2, 3 friends. I have Rahul, I have
Yeah.
Anushka. I have like just 2, 3 friends that I talk to. Anushka also keeps telling me that when you're low, call me up, come over, have a meal. She's also very like, come on, buck up, what's wrong with you, that kind of thing. So it's not always that, everyone and everything that you see online and social media that, oh wow, what a great life she must be living. That's not true. Everyone goes through their
Yeah.
lows, especially after 2020 when, I was stuck alone
The
in my
the world
house,
changed.
couldn't
Yeah.
leave my gate, and I didn't have house help, I didn't have anything. So
Yeah.
just being stuck alone 24/7 for when you thought it was 21 days, which stretched to some 70 days, just like, wait, what? I don't want to think anymore. Can I not think?
Yeah. Yeah.
It wasn't a very easy phase in everyone's life, I'm sure.
For sure. For sure.
But close friends and family do matter. So whenever I'm low, I motivate myself saying that I have my handful of people who I know no matter how bad I am, how stupid I am, how low I am, they will lift me up, they will be there for me.
Yeah, which is very important. Which is very important.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is now we're going to play a game, okay? Because I love playing games online, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a word association game with you. I'm going
Okay.
to say a word. You're going to say
Okay.
the next word that comes to your mind,
Okay.
okay? And it has to be quick, rapid. You got 5 seconds to think, okay? So I'm going to begin the game, okay? Shah Rukh Khan,
Anjali.
okay? Kajol.
Anjali.
You can't repeat it. This is not how you
Okay.
do it.
Kajol. Mm, mm, Amazing actor.
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Guruji.
चेहरे
Chehre. Just
चेहरे
repeating the word.
चेहरे
Debut.
हाँ इमरान हाशमी
Most comfortable co-star ever.
okay theaters
Theaters.
yeah
Popcorn.
okay television
Crystal. I
ah
represent television.
for sure Anushka
Baba Ganush.
oh nice pizza
Mm, Fattening, but love.
coffee
Necessity.
okay April
April.
April the month April what's
Oh,
happening in
April.
April what's happening in
9th.
April
April
ninth
9th.
What's
9th.
happening on April 9th, by the way? I keep forgetting. I'm
That film
sorry.
called Chehre.
With this amazing trio is releasing.
With this amazing trio is releasing in a theater near you on 9th of April.
I like how we've done this. I love how we've done this. Okay, the year 2021.
Prosperity.
For sure, for sure. Travel.
Bay.
Favorite film
कुछ कुछ होता है.
and favorite song.
Favorite song is from Cherry, which I can't reveal right now, but I hear it all day, all night. But other than that,
Whoa.
right now, my favorite song is Brown Monday.
You- this is so cool.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That
Brown
Punjabi
Monday.
in me.
Wow. Amazing. Okay. A book that you read that managed to inspire you.
A book that I read that managed to inspire me is Rumi,
Uh, chai.
lactose intolerant.
Oh dear. Desserts.
Um, life. I can
Like,
survive on desserts.
yeah. And OTT.
Mm, future.
Perfect. We are done. This was so fast, so quick, and you killed it. You killed it. You killed it.
Brown
Guys, how
Monday.
many times? Brown Monday, yes. How many times, guys, have we mentioned cherry? Please tell us. Because I'm sure we said, how many times did we say cherry again?
Like
Cherry.
some gazillion times.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry, cherry, cherry. But this was fun, Crystal. And before I say bye bye to you, there is an amazing comment that had come when I asked, okay, I'm doing a live with Crystal, and what should I ask her? So somebody said, please say this to Crystal that your name may be Crystal, but you shine bright like a diamond.
Hi. Dil jit litta.
है ना पूरा पूरा. So on that note, guys, please go and watch Cherry on the Nine. It marks the debut of this wonderful human being, Crystal D'Souza. And
Thank
the trailer
you.
looks fab, but it has this amazing it that you cannot miss. So please go watch Cherry in theaters.
And it has
All
an
right.
amazing song as well, which will come out very, very soon. So I'm damn excited for the song, for everything that's going to come up soon. And of course, 9th of April in a theater near you. Please, please, please watch it.
For sure, for sure. And I totally think you should do a reel once the song comes out.
That's a great idea. Thanks.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Done.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Crystal. This is fun. Take care of yourself and all the very best because I know you're going to rock it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's lovely speaking to you.
Same here. Bye bye. Take care.
So, guys, as you heard a gazillion times, please go to the theater near you and watch Chehre on the 9th of April and shower me with all your love and blessings. I need all of it. And I'm going to answer a few more questions right now. So, shoot. Hey, Modi Vikas. Narmada, you are loved too. Hey guys, hey AJ Khan, hey Sonu Patil, hey Kritika, hey Sakhil Patel, hey Harsha, Fitrat 2 most awaited, um, hey Pavan Prajapati, congratulations, thanks Asmi. Thank you guys so much for all your love. If you all have any questions, please, please, please shoot. Please tell me and I will answer them regarding Chehre. And say Chahat. Chahat. Thank you, Muskan. Where am I from? I am from Bombay, born and brought up in Bombay. But my roots, my parents were, my parents are from Mangalore, Mangalore with an M. So I am a Mangalorean. Both my parents are from Mangalore. Thank you, Shabaz. Thank you, Dinky. Hey, Jivika Manvi. Lots of love to Pakistan and Karachi as well. What is unique about Chehre that you love? Something unique about Chehre is that we have a stellar cast. There are so many amazing actors. The plot is amazing. The twists are amazing. There's so much in it. There's romance, there's mystery, there's thriller, there is suspense. There's everything. There's everything in it. So it's uh, it's a power packed package, and that's what's unique about it. Also, I believe, I don't know if I'm right or wrong, that Amitabh Ji and Imran Hashmi are coming together for the first time, and I've loved both of them individually as actors. So seeing them together on screen is going to create some sort of magic for sure. And the last but not the least, the thing that's unique is it's my debut. It's my first film, so that's going to be different for all of you to watch. I mean, you all have watched me at home. and on your home screens. Now it's time to watch me in a theater near you, so please do watch it. Um, any more questions? Any more questions? Can't wait for the song. Me neither, guys. The song is beautiful, and I can't wait to release the song and for all of you to hear it as well. मैम पाकिस्तान कब आएंगे? जल्द ही. What role do you play in Chehre? I play the role of Natasha in Chehre, which is a mystery, thriller, suspense film, and you'll have to watch it to see what role exactly everyone plays. Because in the trailer, we've just given a little teaser of everyone's Chehre, but when you watch it, you'll get to see everyone's character full blown. कश्मीर कब आओगे? फायका पता नहीं कश्मीर कब आएंगे, लेकिन मन तो बहुत है कश्मीर आने का, क्योंकि वहां पे मैं पूरे दिन इंस्टाग्राम पे देखती हूँ लोग स्कीइंग करते हैं, अभी स्नो है वहां, तो आने का बहुत मन है. हमारे फिल्म में भी स्नो है एंड बहुत सारी फाइट सीक्वेंस है और एक चेस सीक्वेंस है स्नो में, तो वो भी कश्मीर की याद दिलाएगी आपको, तो आप फिल्म जरूर देखिए. वेटिंग फॉर नताशा. ओके मोनालिसा. गाजियाबाद कब आओगे? आप थिएटर कब जाओगे? सूरत कब आओगे? कम टू हैदराबाद. ठीक है, आप सब टिकट्स भेजिए, मैं सब जगह आऊंगी. आप सबके साथ थिएटर में फिल्म देखूंगी. यस राहुल, आई एम स्टिल हियर. व्हाई आर यू स्टिल हियर? So much of love that you guys keep pouring in. I just read everything. Sandy, Serbia kab aoge asking me. Ghar kab aoge? So I can see you from my window. So much love to all of you guys. Please go to the theater and watch Chehre and shower all your love and blessings on all of us. I'm so glad you all loved the trailer. And now there's so much more in store for you guys. Can't wait to release the songs, to release more posters, to release so many other things to you guys. I can't wait to go watch it in the theater myself. So see you in a theater near you on 9th of April. Bye guys.